This is cool. This is payback, dude. So you know what it feels like. Oh, look at Come on up, man.
He like, help me up, brother. We supposed to be brothers.
Hit me up.
Hey, man, stop that.
You want up? And we have the, there you go. Yay! Oh my goodness, y'all about the same size. And you trying to get over here. Y'all got me all in the twist. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're going to make it happen. We're gonna get this party started. There you go. There you go. Hey, you want to dance? You can play the music and we can get the boogie on. There it is. This is the bouncy bouncy. You remember the bouncy bouncy? You remember the bouncy bouncy?
He said, been there, done that.
Hey.
I done moved on since then. I'm walkie now.
I think about to get him one of these because the one that he has, the music joints he has, they play like some corny music. One is cool because it plays classical. And he'll mix it. He'll like and some he'll just skip. Skip. Hey man. Welcome. Welcome. So glad to see you. I grew up. This is pretty cool though. It's not, you know, generally sometimes, well I won't say generally, sometimes children will trip and you see you playing with another baby, they're like, none of that. He's pretty cool with it.